Hi everyone. A cockpit interface earns trust over time because every interaction teaches the user what the system will return. In a car, the user pays before the system gives anything back. That payment is attention. The user gives part of their focus to the screen, then waits to see whether the response is stable enough to deserve the same attention next time. A clear return makes the next interaction easier. An unclear return forces the user to spend attention again. This is why Cockpit UI works like a long-term relationship. A single function can be useful, but repeated feedback decides whether the user keeps trusting the same system. Costco helps explain this because the membership relationship starts with a cost and continues through repeated return. The member pays before the value is fully proven. After enough useful visits, the next visit feels easier to accept because the relationship has already returned something reliable. Cockpit HMI follows a similar exchange. The user gives attention first, and the interface pays it back through stable feedback. When that feedback remains recognizable over time, the relationship becomes easier to continue. This is the cross-disciplinary link I want to use here. Trust grows beyond one impressive moment. It becomes stronger when the system keeps returning value in a form the user can recognize. The parking screen works here as a visible example of this relationship. A displayed route gives the user a comparison point. The driver can relate the system's plan to a movement they already understand, so the interface returns something familiar before the final result appears. That familiarity lowers the cost of judgment. The user is still evaluating the system, and the screen gives a stable reference that keeps the next judgment from starting at zero. Over time, this kind of feedback changes the relationship between the user and the cockpit. The system becomes easier to trust because its behavior keeps returning a recognizable form. For Cockpit UI, trust is built when each interaction makes the next one cheaper to understand. I'm Paxton. I share automotive UX and intelligent cockpit design analysis here. If you have any thought or examples you want me to discuss, leave a comment. And if this topic interests you, welcome to subscribe.